Hello everyone, this is Coach Molly Ryder and it is Tuesday. You are here for Blog Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about an advanced blogging tip, and we're going to be looking at how you can edit your blog for better SEO, search engine optimization. You can also do this with your web pages. So it's editing your blog and web pages for better SEO. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you are on your dashboard and you go in to make a blog post, let's say that the keyword phrase that you're talking about or you're writing a blog post on is how to make an electronic book. Okay, so how to make an ebook, right? Now, let's say that this is your expertise. So you've probably written a ton of articles on how to make an electronic book. And this blog post title itself, as a title, is very open-ended, right? It could be about a million things. So you're going to want to utilize other words and phrases in your title to grab your audience instead of just your keyword phrase in your title. So let's say, for example, instead you're going to write 7 must-knows when writing an electronic book. Okay? Now when you do this, this title becomes your permalink. 7 must-knows when writing an electronic book. If you look at the permalink here, it has the 7 must-knows when writing an electronic book. If I click edit, you can see the full thing, okay? Now, this permalink becomes the URL for the blog. Okay, so if I publish the post and I go and look at it, when the post shows up, you can see up here in the URL, it has my website, mollyryder.com, with the date and then / and my title, 7 must-knows when writing an electronic book. However, my keyword phrase is how to make an electronic book. So we want to talk about how to utilize your keyword phrase in your URL so that you are getting all sorts of search engine optimization. So let's go back to your blog post. Okay, so here we are back where you can edit your blog post. Now, Google search engines are definitely going to look at your title and what you put in your content box. But another thing that they look at and rank very highly is the permalink, the URL of the actual post itself. So if your title is the 7 must-knows when writing an electronic book, but your keyword phrase is how to make an electronic book, then you need to copy your keyword phrase, hit edit, delete the permalink ending that's currently there, and paste it in, okay? Now, you don't need to worry about capitals. In fact, you want it to be all lowercase. So I'm going to change it here so that there's no confusion. Okay, so keep it all lowercase. How to make an electronic book, and I hit OK. Now you can see I've written 6 different articles about this because it added the number 6 to the end. Okay, that's fine. So how to make an electronic book, now that's in the permalink, and that gives it huge Google juice when we're talking about search engine optimization, SEO. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. If I update it, now you can see that the URL is my website / the date, then how to make an electronic book, which is the keyword phrase. So now I have the most Google juice, the SEO optimization capabilities, because I've changed the URL to use the main keyword phrase. And I did this by clicking edit next to permalink. Okay, now 2 last words of caution. First, you do not want to go back to old blog posts and change the permalinks. Do not go back and change old blog posts, because if you change them, then any of the links that you've sent out into the World Wide Web universe, you know, through Facebook and Twitter and any other site, Technorati, wherever you've posted that blog, now that link will become inactive because you changed the URL. So do not edit old blog posts. Only do this going forward. The same thing with pages. You can certainly edit the page link, but no, going forward, that's what you want to do. Do not change old pages because those pages won't show up if someone finds that page on a random website that you linked it to. Okay, so please be careful. Don't change old, only change from today going forward. All right, awesome. I hope that you've enjoyed this advanced blogging tip on Blog Tip Tuesday, and I look forward to hearing how search engine optimization works for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.